Hi, welcome to another new video. I hope you guys doing really well, and in this video I am going to talk about how to fix Linkvertise loading problem in 2025. So the video will be quick guideline for you. So if you are facing loading problem, then check out your internet connection. Is it really stable or not? If there is a problem with internet, then you may face this kind of a problem in linkvertise.com. And if you are facing problem like your internet is also okay but you are getting the problem, then check out your plugin. Did you install any plugin which is conflicting between Linkvertise with the plugin? Then uninstall or disable the plugin from your extension, and now you need to check it again. Then I hope you will get the result. And if you are having the problem again with this after doing this both work, like checking out your internet, then you install or disable your plugin or extension from your Chrome, now you are also getting this problem, then you need to go on this platform in Chrome, logging in the setting, and once you visit there you need to have this privacy and security. Now here you can see the delete browsing data, and from that place you need to check out cookies, cache image and file, and lots of things, and then just click on delete data. Once you click over here, now your Chrome account or application will be totally clean. Now you need to check it again and you will fix your problem. I hope so. If you find out this video was helpful for you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day.